Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Golf. For 2020, they got rid of all the different trims and it's now the Golf. What they did was they kind of took all the trim levels, mashed them into one, and created the entry-level Golf for its final year of this gen. Total price comes to $25,574. The silk blue, Titan black leatherette, the monster mats, and the 8-speed automatic. A manual, 6-speed manual is available for these. 1.4 liter turbocharged 4. What does it say? Runs on, wow, runs on regular. Pretty impressive. Back seat, very nice and roomy. Oh, engine and seatbelt. I'm like, what messages? I didn't do anything. See, this is actually, I found this out. So this is how you deactivate traction control, because in the GTI there's a button. This car there is no button. So you can set a speed alert for your winter tires. It's pretty ingenious. So now if we go back, all your assistance systems, drive safely. Pretty cool. That's actually, because I film so many cars a day that once I start filming, I kind of blank, so I shut traction control off so I can remember to go in there. Right, put it into normal drive at first, then put it into sport. There is no drive modes like the GTI. It's just drive and sport for the transmission. What's nice is you do have paddles behind the wheel, which I've used a couple times. It's really kind of fun. Ooh, Z28 Camaro. Let's go see that. Nice Raptor. They do sound really good, those new Raptors. Honestly, even after just driving 3 GTIs, this still feels pretty quick. There we go. Now we activated the stop-start system. You have to have a firm grasp on the brake before it does it. If you just lightly touch it, it won't engage. Then you can just sit there. Be like, alright, cool. I just had a deer run out in the road here, so I'm just gonna be a little careful. Overall, this is a really great car, being the base entry-level Volkswagen. That note, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.